Hello followers, welcome to another video. This time I bring you a Honda CRX Sport, and here I will show you the step by step of this build. If you saw the unboxing video, you saw how simple this model is, and because of that I decided to open a space for a future engine. I have started by removing the wood from the body using a Tamiya scriber and the X-Acto knife. After removing the wood, I decided to make the engine bay more realistic and creating what was missing from there. So by that I made the strut needed to lay down the wood, printed the firewall and the brake servo, and I have designed as well a Tegio strut bar in way to complete a little more. Still waiting for the complete engine to arrive to fill that big gap in there, but we just need to wait. For primering the body, I have used Zero Paints Light Grey Primer. I have applied 3 coats in the model, starting by one light coat, followed by a medium and then a medium heavy coat, allowing it to dry for 5 minutes between each coat. For the paint this time I didn't use any known airbrush ready paint. Since I had some Honda silver paint left on my draw, I just mixed it with some thinner and sprayed it with the airbrush. Surprisingly, the coverage was much better than most of known brands, and because of that I have applied only 2 coats, allowing to dry for 15 minutes between each coat. As for the clear coat, I used again Zero Paints 2K Diamond Finish. I didn't follow the box instructions as it doesn't work really well for me, so I went for the same system I've used on my last video. Started by applying one light coat of clear and hardener, no thinner was added, allowed it to dry for 15 minutes, applied the second light coat, but for this coat I have added 1 ml of thinner to the mix. Again, I allowed it to dry for 15 minutes, and then for the third and last coat I added 2 ml of thinner to the mix already done and applied a medium heavy coat. This way I'm always able to achieve a great mirror finish, and if you like, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. After let the body dry for 24 hours, was time to give the final touches. So I started by masking everything that needed to be painted, and then painted all the trims and bumpers with 0 paint stacked black. And with it done, this video is complete. Hope you guys enjoyed and see you on the next video.